Hello, everyone. I'm Gail Johnson. I am a clinical hypnotherapist, which I have been since the 1970s. I'm also a certified professional midwife, and I've done that for 40 years. And I've used hypnosis. I've used self-hypnosis. I've used relaxed, focused concentration. I've used suggestive therapy. All skills and tools that I do believe every midwife should have some knowledge on because it's so beneficial to birthing families. Women learn to relax, to understand their bodies. You learn how to use words properly and say such things as, remember the laundry. If you say, don't forget the laundry, all they hear is, forget the laundry. So the use of words can implant ideas and feelings and suggestions and have an effect on people. Thoughts are things. So we're going to talk about thoughts being things. I'm going to demonstrate with a little machine, biofeedback, so that you understand hypnosis, what it is, how you can use it, and have fun. So please come to the Lily Excellence Center workshop that will be on Zoom on May 31st. Please register through Facebook page, Lily Excellence Center, or look for the address online and register and join me for 2 hours of fun and relaxation. See you then. Bye.